just so as y'all can see, like, bruh, I didn't even do my eyebrows today. My mouth is so dry. My mouth is so dry. God, I it's that time of the month. So when I woke up, I didn't feel like bad, but I had to since I'm going to work, and I was doing morning shift. So I've been up since 2, and now it's 4. It has been raining. As you all can see, my room is a bit dark. It has been raining. What's happening with this ring light? I just noticed now that my ring light it's broken. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna show you what I did today. I went to the mall after work just to do a bit of pick me up because, guys, I look crusty, and tomorrow I'm off. So tomorrow, yeah, I just don't want to do anything. I just want to wake up, eat, bath, sleep again since I'm off. So I'm gonna show you where I went first. Let's see. Guys, I look crusty. So I firstly went to Rage. I saw a special. When I was walking past Rage, I saw a special. Guys, it's a mad special at Rage because it sells clearance. So they're clearing the summer shoes, putting in winter ones. So the sale was crazy. I bought shoes. Y'all won't believe how much it was. So what's up? I can't say hi to, guys. Here it says, what is this? It was $250, and Bonamo they said $450. Now the sale it's from here. No, it's from here. Here I think they made a mistake to here. So I bought this shoes for 98 rand. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Yeah, you see? It's 98 rand. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? I only bought them shoes, Courage. Then I went to Clicks too. I saw a sale. I went to Clicks and I bought this concealer. What is this? This Maybelline highlighter. Yeah, it's a highlighter. Got 20 rand. Imagine 20 rand. And okay, the original price it was 100 and something. So I bought it, got 20 rand. I bought this body spray. This body spray is vanilla. Look at it, smells like lychee. body spray. Okay, what is it? Okay, 53 rand. Then I bought this got to be glue. This got to be spray. Okay, 92 rand. Then I bought this mask, Gentle Magic mask, and 40 rand. Then I bought this charcoal face soap. This charcoal face soap for my face. I don't know, man. My face looks a mess. Like it looks a mess. And it cost about what is it? It cost about 23 rand. And this even this Vicks it cost 16 rand. So from Clicks. Then I went to Bargain Pep. This cute jersey. I don't know what is it called. And I got it on a sale. As I got it, can check the sale like nobody's business. And I got it 120. It's very cute. It has a hat. It has a hat. And I bought this Juve cover set. And it cost 180. I bought some wipes. Some wipes. And I bought this face oil. Leoniki body oil. Vaseline. Obviously. For my hair. And the spray. My hair. And this brush. For 12 rand. And this washer. So everything that I bought Copep, it's done. So I was looking for working for covers for this pillows, or these pillows, and I didn't get them Copep. So I went to bed sheet. Sheet Street, whatever, and it's just only 20 rand. Now it's 20 rand, and home diffuser at Sheet Street, and it's 120. Hope it smells nice.
How much is it?
So that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm just gonna take a bath, sleep. I want a Sabina. I'm so exhausted, guys. Bye for today.
I've been through some things, ups and downs some days, but I'll call your name. This life I walk in faith, darkness not a slave, Jesus has my gaze. But I've been feeling prayed out, trying to find a way out. God, I need your help now, come show me. I've been trying to run away, feel like going in my head. Feel like sitting up in God's bedroom, making music I don't talk to them. Remember when I used to puff? Now I'm chilling with the Most High, and I can't even get enough. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going. Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage, king will heal you, keep you bonded, king fulfill you. I promise your God sent, bow in reverence before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your way. Keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go 'cause you saved me, oh, that I might come back to your lover. Can't keep running back to another, 'cause you saved me, that I might come back to. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back.
He said, this is flesh of my flesh and bone of my bone. She shall be called woman. It was all woman when you saw me. Any real people in this room?
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away, yeah. 'Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I I wanna go to Cali way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Cali way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
not the same. Not ever since the day that I got saved. At the cross is where it started. Righteousness imparted. You called and I responded. The enemy departed. At the cross is where it started. Righteousness imparted. All my sins forgotten. Just for feels like a dream. You love me, Jesus. My obedience is key to unlock the doors in me. Now I understand exactly who I am. The light of the world, and that comes through your word, your word, your defeated.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't f*** fake. Saying they love me for one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini wrong when I hop at the truck. Pretty like Lauren with a big butt, yup. Pretty face and a waist all gone. And I'm making them wait, hold on. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, her money too. Like damn, she in her mood. Damn.
Yeah. Turn the beat up a little bit. Yeah, okay, two friends and they both tens, looking nice. I should call it quits, but I'm not. No chances, we all dancing tonight. Tell me what's the odds, we can all
Okay, the last time we tried that, it didn't end well.
Plus you never know the story that they friends tell. And off the brown liquor, nigga feel like Denzel.
Out in Washington, in the DC with a traffic bitch. Lil freak bitch, get geeked off erratic shit.
So what you do?
Shut the club up like so y'all
Man,
can
that's another shit. Paying child support through the government. Joint custody weekends, you can't touch it.
I love this bitch. We gon' travel and fill up the bucket list. How about 10 kids on the ranch on some southern
You
shit?
mean sucker shit. Slaves to the pussy since you discovered it. 10 bands on Chanel purses, bad budget. Plus you niggas always together, it's mad smothering. You sipping over bitches, I never thought it would come to this.
Why you always mad? I just wanna have fun with it. The winners ain't bad when you cruising in the summer with 2 friends and they both 10s looking nice. 2 bent, I should call it quits, but I'm not. No chances, we all dance in the night. Tell me what's the odds we can all get it right.
See, I'm not trying to be overbearing or give you a lecture. I just want you to see this shit from a different perspective. See, every hoe is a dog, and every dog at this day. You can't be loving on every Monday, be falling astray.
My nigga, watch what you say. How you blocking the way? You just talking, nothing's coming from a logical
Man,
place.
I'm kicking knowledge of that. You getting frolic today. Why you paying her son tuition?
I'm a father today.
Okay.
2 friends and they both 10s looking nice. 2 bent, I should call it quits, but I'm not. No chances, we all dance in the light. Tell me what's the odds we can all get a bite. 2 friends and they both 10s looking nice. 2 bent, I should call it quits, but I'm not. No chances, we all dance in the light. Tell me what's the odds we can all get a bite.
I've been through some things, ups and downs some days, but I'll call your name. This life I walk in faith, darkness not a slave. Jesus has my gaze, but I've been feeling.
I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just snooze and miss the moment. You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be away with you, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip.